Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're well. This is just a very quick, brief video. Excuse the setting and the way I look. Obviously, it's Sunday. I just came back from the gym and I went for a little swim as well. So hence no makeup. But I just wanted to quickly show you what I got yesterday at the Beth Chatto's garden. So we went there yesterday. It was a beautiful day to be spent in a garden, and it was a dream come true. I wanted to go there for a long time, and finally we got to do it yesterday. So I couldn't resist, and I brought about 10 plants back home, those that I wanted to get for our garden for a long time. And to be honest, I got one of each, for the reason that I do like to experiment. I do like to grow different kinds of plants and see how they react in our garden and what condition they need, what's the best way to look after them. So that's why I got one of each. So I could, obviously I couldn't, spend a lot of money, but I spent quite a lot and I got what I wanted. So I just want to show you and share what I got yesterday. So I got some plants for our sunny position in the garden, which is south facing, so it's full of sun. The garden is also sun trapped, so it's going to be really warm, really hot. They're going to be baking in the sun. And then I have a pot in the garden which is just behind me, which I started to plant in with shade loving plants. And it is a dry shade, although at the beginning when I was setting it up I actually thought it is more wet, but yeah, I learned that it's actually a dry shade because it's just right under a big apple tree, and there's also taxus next to it and a huge akuba hedge. So I learned by mistakes, obviously. So the first plant that I got is Thalictrum rockenbarnium, and it's this beautiful shade loving plant. This is how it looks. As you can see, it's got a little moss in as well, so most of the time when the soil has moss or plants or algae growing in, it tells you that it likes that kind of condition. And this is one of the plants that I was craving to get. It has these huge tall spikes with beautiful delicate flowers, either in pink, yellow or white. I got the kind of pinkish purplish one, so I cannot wait to have the flowers possibly next year. I'll see how I'm gonna plant them today. That's why I wanted to do this video, so I'll see how it grows. Obviously, as I said, it's experimenting really for me. Never had this plant before. As I said, it was on my to have list for a long time, so finally another dream come true. Another shade loving plant is the black grass, and I always love this plant. It looks amazing. I love black plants, black foliage, black flowers, and I wanted to have this for a long time, so finally got it as well. And I also got it's just Biggie. He is with me in the garden, so he might just be in and out the frame. So Radu, my boyfriend, also really liked it when he saw it in the gardens, and it had the little berries on as well, which are black and shiny. It looks amazing, so I can't wait for it to flower and then have the little berries on as well. So I forgot to say, this is Ophiovogon flaniscapus. This is variant Coco Ryu. Beautiful, beautiful plant. So again, I'm gonna put it in a shade and see how it does. So another shade-loving plant is this Brunera macrophylla. This is Jack Frost, and I love the leaves. They are so beautiful, like little heart-shaped leaves with the veins that you can see. The fact that it's like silverish and green, kind of I don't know, it looks like little wings or something on it. I love it. And it has these beautiful forget-me-nots kind of type of flowers earlier in the year. So that's what I'm looking forward to. Sorry, I'm just checking up on Biggie because he's playing with some flies or something, and he's actually tied to my stand, so he doesn't go too far. So sorry if I'm in and out. So yeah, this is gonna go in my shaded area, and I believe for all of the plants that I got, I actually have to be really keeping up the water and the moisture for them, at least until get established. But I cannot wait to see this growing and flowering. It's gonna look so beautiful. Next one up for shade is this Actea simplex. This is Wild Pearl. Let me just get the this, actually you can see the name, Wild Pearl, and it's got this little fluffy looking flowers. It's quite tall already, and I was quite careful picking the one that I wanted up, looking for the little flower already forming already, and this one has it. So I can't wait. Hopefully soon I'll get to see those flowers. Never had this plant before again, so it's another experiment, and this one goes in a shaded area as well. It just reminds me of like little biggies around, so it's going to brighten up the corner there, and as it's been a bit taller, it will be more visible as well. So another one to look forward to. I was really happy getting all those plants. I can't wait to see them grow and see how they behave and learn about them. And ta-da! Last but not least, for the shaded area is this Hakonatloa macra. This one. I love the clams of Hakonatloa, and this is the first time me owning one, but I love using them in gardens, love seeing them in gardens, especially like they pick up on every little bit of wind. They have these lovely seed heads as well. Beautiful color and funny. We brought the plants home yesterday. I put them just in the hall as we came in. Put them down, and Biggie straight away let us know that he really likes it because he started to chew on them already. Here. So yeah, I got the approval. I got the approval from Biggie. Can't wait to have this and for it to start growing and filling up the masses and the space with its beautiful leaves and flowers. So Biggie decided to spoil my display here, and he just went behind to have a little chill. So he's going to be with us. Hopefully he won't knock the plants down more. But I'm going to continue with our sun-loving plants. So the star of the show is this Achillea, and this is Achillea Biophilia Red Velvet. Sorry. There you go. And the color is just beautiful. I was standing there choosing the color. I couldn't decide between yellow, white, or this lovely, beautiful red, pink. kind of velvety color. Yeah, it's called red velvet, so yeah, I don't blame them. Achillea is one of my favorite plants for dry sunny spots, for gravel gardens or for naturalistic planting. Love it, I just love it. And funny enough, this is my first one, but I love using it in my planting designs. It lasts for ages, even when the color fades. The seed heads are so beautiful, and they look really, really nice as an architectural plant as well, in the planting scenario. So yeah, one for me now. Yeah, obviously Biggie knocked the plants down a little bit. Never mind. Next one is Rudbeckia triloba Prairie Glow. And I was deciding between the traditional Rudbeckia with just a big yellow flower with the black eye, but this one caught my eye because it's got that orange hint in there, and I think it's going to pick up very nicely with our brick wall that we have of the house in the sunny area. It's beautiful, it's tall, and again, first one of Rudbeckias for me. It's funny enough, all these plants that I always wanted, but I think I just had to wait for the proper ones to get, and these are all a very nice reminder of the Beth Chatto's garden, so I'm going to look after them as much as I can, so I make her proud. And last but not least is this Gara, or Gora as they say, Goralin Mary. This is Joe Adela, and again one of my favorites because of its butterfly-like looking flowers. You see, it just looks like there are butterflies sitting on the stems. Again, it's very long lasting, it's got beautiful flowers, and it spreads quite easily as well, so I can't wait to plant this one. It also works when you want a little bit of height and the color to add to your borders. Beautiful summer perennial that loves sun as well, but it does take shade as well. It's just that it won't flower as good. So yeah, can't wait to put this one in the borders as well. And yeah, that's about it. As I said again, excuse my not prepared setup. I did what I could. I just wanted to quickly record this video to let you know what I've ordered on my shopping spree, and I can't wait to get this planting. I hope I inspired you a little bit to get yourself some new plants, because it's definitely worth it. To me, it's the thing that I almost don't think about spending money on, and I definitely wanted to get plants that would help the wildlife. I can't wait to see all the bees and butterflies on those new additions to the garden, and I might record myself planting these as well. Definitely will post some pictures or videos of the new plants in the garden, how they're doing. And yeah, I hope you're having a nice day, and I will see you later. Bye. So here we are all planted. These are the shaded loving plants. And I know it doesn't look the best, but this is my experimental patch of land for shade-loving plants. And as they grow, I will move them around and I'll see how they do. And obviously soon enough I'm gonna be trimming the hedges and everything, so it will look much nicer. So don't worry, it will be taken care of. For now it looks like this. And when it comes to the sunny plants, as I call them, it's too hot today, so I could not bear to stand here more and get them planted, but I will do so. For now I'll just put them here to cover up the gutters a bit. Our beautiful, beautiful gutters. But yeah, for now they will have to do here. And one more thing that we got yesterday is this sweet little bag hotel. It doesn't have any residents yet, but hopefully soon there will be some life in it as well. Yeah, so that's the update for our garden, and I'm gonna go and relax now. Bye!